What I'm making here is a coaster. Make several of them for different branches of the service. This one here is for Marine Corps. And I know it looks like a mess in there, but I use all this different stuff for different heights of material because I've taken that bed out, and it gives me a greater focus area where I can put large items in there. So that little aluminum piece you see down here actually lifts out and allows me to put something in there that's quite large. But anyway, almost everything that I raster or engrave, I usually use a power of like 11 to 13 and a speed of like 300. And so this is one of the finished. Well, I haven't finished it yet. I'm finished engraving it, but I'm going to put a lacquer on it and a polyurethane. They really turn out pretty good. And so what I do is I take pallet wood, heat treated pallet wood, and I cut it into squares of about 85 millimeter by 85 millimeter, and I make coasters. And my wife paints them. They're not painted or finished yet, obviously. And so using laser draw, you can see, and I just switch out the graphics real quick and the text, and pretty much finished at that point. And so this one here is about done. And then I'll just hand sand that or hit it with my sander, and it comes out with no burn marks. You can see here, it comes out really good. So that finished. There you go. And so I'll just hit that with a sander, and it'll look fantastic. All right, if you have any questions, let me know.